Morning, dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Please stay home, stay safe. We know that going outside is very dangerous. Okay, so always remember one thing, whenever you are going outside, always wear your masks and the further things whichever is needed. Okay, and one more thing, these days parents are continuously complaining that kids are not listening. I am requesting you, please obey your parents, because this time you have good time to spend with your parents at home, because father is also working from home, mother is at home, so everyone is doing work from home, and you got the opportunity to spend time with them. And please, whenever you are taking your online classes, behave nicely. Okay, so this video is regarding the activity which I have given you for UT1, that is cutting and pasting activity for this, that, and these, those. In very simple way we can do it. For this we needed some colorful sheets, the pastel sheets we need. If you don't have colorful sheets, no need to go outside for market. You can just draw in a plain sheet or white paper and color it. Okay, so I have some, that's why I'm using only these color sheets, because I have only these ones. So we have to use these color sheets. And we need one scissor, small scissor, and make sure whenever you are working with scissor, your mama is sitting with you. And we need glue, and I have sketch pen. If you don't have, don't worry, you can use your pencil and use your color pencil also. And we need one pencil for that and one eraser. Okay, this is my pen. Ma'am is using pen, so pen is comes to my hand. Okay, this is my pencil. I think I have bigger one also. Okay, this one. Okay, and one eraser. Not more than so many things we have. I have collected only some things. Now what to do? For single object you have to draw one single things, and I have to make one circle, because for one single object I am using this for making a circle. So with the help of this I have to make one ball. So how to do? You just hold it little closer and just show them. Okay, you just hold anything you have. Might be you have small glass at home, bottle, the cap of your bottle you can use, and in this way you have to make a circle. Draw this circle, and after that we have to cut it. Okay, we have to cut it, small circle. So it looks only circle, so I can do one thing for that. I'll just draw one curve like this. And cut it also with the help of scissor. And whenever you are working with scissor, that you need for cutting, you just take help from mama. Don't try to cut yourself. It's risky. Okay, it will hurt you because it's very sharp, so we don't have to play with sharp things. And after that I'm just going to paste it on this ball. So like this. So in this way, I have to make two balls for you, this one and this one. Now I am going to do some cuttings of, like I have to cut some more pictures because I need some more pictures. So what I'll do, I'm just going to draw here, like I have to draw, and this is your choice. Don't think कि ma'am has drawn one ball, so I have to draw ball. No, this is your choice. You can draw any object because I don't have any option. I don't have the other colors. That's why I'm using this. So this is your choice. No need to draw same things. You are more creative, so you have to draw something else, okay? And take help from your mama while you are doing so. See how I am cutting up. Actually I am going to draw something. Now I cutting it. So I simply just draw a line and I am cutting it. Might be you are thinking what ma'am is going to make. You just think. I'll just show you. And I'm just draw a small arrow here. Small arrow. Very small arrow. And then I'll cut it. Now I'm cutting it also. Okay, so now I have to do, I'll just paste it on. So might be you guess now what I'm going to make. So I've drawn one bat. So in this way you have to draw so many objects because the activity is on this, that, these, those. So this is bat. Okay, so many. Okay, now I'll show you how to make an ice cream. These are summer days and ma'am would like to have ice cream daily, and I know that ice cream is everybody's favorite. So I'll just show you. During lockdown it's difficult to go out for having ice cream. So maybe you just make this ice cream at home and feel yourself cool, okay? So I'm just showing you how to draw it, okay? See, I've just drawn a triangle shape, and now I'm going to make a little cloud here, a small cloud. See, I am also using a cutting of the papers. Now you have to cut it. You have to cut it. You have to cut it slowly and give proper shape to your object. You can draw mango, apple, tomato, anything you can draw, okay? This is up to you. You can draw trees also and cut it. See, so this is, I have to just keep it on like this. And one more thing, cherry is missing here, so I'm just going to put cherry on it. If you have a, like if your mama using a big bindi, so you can use that one also, the red big bindi. Okay, I don't have, so I'm just using cutting of the paper. See, this I have cut the circle and make this ice cream. Okay, okay, so see, I have made this bat ice cream. You decorate your ice cream like this with the help of sketch pen, or you can use pencil also. Now I'll just show you how to paste these things. Okay, you paste your object. What I taught you, that the object which is near to the plants, so we use, and it is singular. Okay, so what we have to use, the object which is near to the blank, so we use this, and make sure it is a singular. Okay, so write down, this is very near, so what I have to write down, this is a ball. Okay, and the object which is far from the place, so what we use, the object which is far from the place, and it is singular. For singular we are using this and that, so that time we have to use that. So this ball is little far, so I am using that. That is a ball. Okay, now these and those. So object which is very near and more than one, that means plural. So that time we use these or those. And which is near, those who are near, so for near we are using these. For near object we use these. With the help of glue you have to paste what you have made. So these are what? Bats. These are bats. For plural we always use are, and for singular we use this. Bats. These are bats. And now only one left, those. And those are ice creams. Okay, so in this way you have to cut and paste the object on your notebook and send it to me, and make sure that when you get the link of Drive, and everybody upload your picture on Drive only, and no need to make any video, just send me picture of this, okay? And when you get the Drive, maybe today or tomorrow I will share the Drive, only Drive. Please don't send me through WhatsApp. I will not accept those who are sending through WhatsApp. Only in Drive I will receive, through Drive only, okay? मैं ड्राइव में ही लूँगी और कोई भी बच्चा व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं भेजेगा. एंड आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू डू इट. And thank you so much. Be happy, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.